Alright, so I know say in every video I say we do video on the 1st September, which was today. I mean I try edit the post. But I tried to post today, but time run out, we just done edit and it's late now, so we're not gonna see this on the 2nd, which is tomorrow. So sorry for the mistake, sorry for mess up, but time did run out and we just end up done. So hope you enjoy the video, watch the video to the end. Remember, like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember, what's everybody, you're done next to work on this TV and we're back with another video. And today we're starting the video on the 1st of December, or should I say the 1st of Christmas. Merry Christmas everybody. Coming out of the Christmas season, you don't know the chop. So today we have a vlog. Cause I don't know say a Vlogmas, but I don't feel like I'm going to vlog, I feel like I'm going to Vidmas. So Vidmas is a thing where I'm not going to post every day, but I'm going to post at least 3 times a week. So out of how much days a week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So out of 7 days, I'm going to try to post at least 3 days out of 7 days. So Vidmas. So this is Vidmas day 1. A day 1? You call it day 1 or day 2? What? Wait, what? So that be Vidmas episode 1. Yeah, so that be Vidmas episode 1. So today we're up on the road with the NCB because my father account, well not really account but like him online banking, it not really work, him not get access to it. So we there yesterday and then we say, oh, our system is down, so you gotta come back tomorrow with the same number. So come back this morning with the same number and oh system is still down, you still have to wait. So we are wait. So in airline I wait and I can't talk to him. So yeah, so first objective for the day with the bank. Then we'll probably be a bread today because me and my talk from a day say I want to bake bread. So we want a bakery. So sooner or later I gotta start by from National and start by from Kaddish TV breads, Kaddish TV bakery. That bad. So we are gonna buy yeast and whatever else they use to make bread. But we don't say yeast and main ingredients in the bread, so we get a pack of yeast and see if we can make bread. So this is a test run for try to make bread. We want a bakery, I'm pretty poor of us. We're gonna make bread. So stay tuned for the video. Link in the back when I go to supermarket. For showing you like the right type of yeast or whatever to buy. So depends on how long him stay in this up. We don't know. So yeah, so we'll link on the back when we go to supermarket and whatever else something through the day. We just try to vlog through the day. Whatever happen, whatever we do, we try to vlog. Yeah, and I guess that's it. So stay tuned for Vlogmas Vidmas episode 1.
One eternity later.
So we're gonna buy bread. We start on a bakery. So we buy the bread. So we reach the supermarket and we gonna buy yeast. Oh, let's buy yeast now. We have wait a bit. Are you gonna make bread now?
Yeast and wheat bread and wheat.
So brown bread you make?
Yeah, 600 or something.
Which one better? Red or what?
You tell me. Are you chef, you know? What difference?
Instant is.
On this. Oh, that's different color?
No, can't be. One. What? Looks like that. 4-3. You're wrong.
So add coconut milk, add iron, and what else?
Everything.
The list of things that are there on the screen for most of the video, well, most of the part here. So when I get a chance to see the ingredients and the we use. So you talk about brown bread, right?
It's wheat bread. Well, brown bread, but what is it?
Yeah, boy.
What is? One bread.
Alright, so we done, well, that you don't need a bread. We put it for 1 hour.
1 hour.
So we put it for 1 hour for set. We are going to clean up, all that fresh, do something else in the meantime until the 1 hour. And in the 1 hour we circle back and see how far, if you rise or not. If you rise, well,
My fault.
well, I won't take the blame and I want to put the blame on anyone. So we just blame it on the yeast. So we blame it on the yeast. So 1 hour timing start now.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
You can rise again. No, it's a can.
The rice one.
Oh.
The rice, yeah.
Yeah.
The rice nice too.
Man, did I fret?
Nah, friend. Nice one.
Yeah.
The rice.
Flavor correct and nice.
Yeah. Oh. You feel like eat already? You feel like, you know?
Where are they? You have to do them again.
I'm gonna make a bread box. Give me a knife. Oh. You have to feel okay. You have a knife. I have a knife. Two bread for making a bacon. Two bread. The rice. Yo. Two bread, man.
Cut that deep.
Worry about me, man. Worry about yourself. I have baker me. You should put this tray. Put this tray or something.
So we'll have one sliced one and one unsliced.
Yes.
So you put in there.
Oh, what's that taking?
So after 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, this is the outcome. We'll have one slice and one whole of one. We're gonna bring it downstairs and cut it out and get the taste test to see how it tastes. Have them on the tray go downstairs. So yeah. Making bread, so I feel like we can find opening bread for chew. So I'm gonna say, tell me in the comment section how you feel we do, or how, or any suggestions for how you want to bake before the bread, or if you never bake bread, or hold on, or yeah, just tell me one on we try and bake next. So yeah, so we'll do a quick taste test.
What is going on here?
Alright, Melo.
Raw.
You still raw?
Yeah? Yeah, very good. The food is there, man. Give it no damn justice.
So, inside can still raw a little bit. But, young one, we catch a drift. I hope we do it.
You know, it's a fish, man. You got it?
Listen, we just get the right taste. Nice. Listen, bake it what soon? Soon. Come on, good job. We try. We try. Okay, you can't answer when about try. Oh God, we try. Well, do this about so remember like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment below how you feel from 1 to 10, and just stick around for Vlogmas season episode 2 in a week.